Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do a cone napkin fold. First, lay your napkin out in front of you. Step 2, we're going to take the corner and we're going to move it up here to make a diagonal. Now we're going to orient the napkin so that the point is away from us on step 3. On step 4, we're going to take the left corner and bring it up to the top. Turn your instructions over. Step 5, we're going to bring this point to the top. Step 6, we're going to flip the napkin over. Step 7, we're going to fold the bottom third of the napkin. If you have the availability of an iron, you can use this. Now, step 8, we're going to fold under the right and the left side. Again. Go. And now you have a cone napkin fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.